Check out these remote control flickering candles. Look at how cool these look. Check that out. I love these flickering candles. And even in there, but especially over here. I even got them flickering there. But look how that looks like it's really flickering. I am so pumped about these candles. You can really see that one. Anyway, I just wanted to share these beautiful remote control, and I'll show you how they are operated. So here's the remote right here, and you just use a remote to turn them all off. I have two remotes, one for the bigger ones, one for the smaller ones, and they all just turn off with the remote, and then you can just turn them all back on. Isn't that cool? Anyway, wanted to share that. This is so pretty. Anyway, Amazon, hello, flameless candles, or flickering flameless candles. Check it out. Bye.